Hey, good afternoon, Rob. It's Mr. John Miller here. As your newest junior cabinet member, I do think it's my job to come up with some ridiculous ideas. So, in honor of you, I've named this Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest is what I like to I guess I'm just going to refer to it as the epic urban farm adventure, where you can aeroponically grow anything based off an automated system, because anything I touch that's green, I end up killing. Anyway, these are the grow pods. There are 5. You can obviously get more or less, depending on how crazy you go in CAD. And on the 3D printer, what looks like half the Olympic rings are going to be the 120 mil spacers in between these pods. While that's printing, over the next week, I'll be working on the programming flow that will hook to either Raspberry Pi or Arduino. I got to find a developer to put my dream into action. Some of it I can do, some of it I can't. But it will measure relative humidity, nutrient flow, pressure, temperature, and a few other things, water levels in the sump that you don't see available yet. But the whole point is that Sherwood Forest will be a kit that you can grow strawberries, herbs, tomatoes, cucumbers, or anything else with a root system. Or flowering fruits and vegetables and whatnot. So it ought to be pretty cool. And the servo motors and everything else will be pretty awesome. You can 3D print most of that and just buy some reasonably low cost motors. And it's kind of cool. It's kind of like Meccano Gardener for adults with epic amounts of free time who like to tinker. Anyway, I hope you find this interesting, and I'll keep at it and keep giving you some posts. I'm looking forward to this one. I'm really excited. The top parts, it can look like an oboe. I'm going to get some metal pipes or copper stainless steel tubing that go up and down that hook into different areas, with high pressure solenoids. And then, of course, down below will be a recirculating sump tank. So just so you know that the nutrient flows up, it gets atomized to about 30 microns, which is a vapor, flows down, collects in a sump tank and gets recycled. And the system basically will refill it, put the nutrients in it, check for the pH, and do all the stuff it needs to do. So maybe I'll get some good scorching peppers. I don't know what I'm going to grow in this one. I've got a lot of requests for weed, but obviously I don't smoke weed, so I don't care. But interesting, though. So anyway, have a great day.